Hey guys, so I know it's been like 3 weeks since I uploaded. I'm really sorry, but literally just like 2 hours ago I finished my last assignment for undergrad, so that's why I've been away. It's just been really crazy with the end of this semester coming. I'm finally done. So today I wanted to film a video about my favorite products that I've been using lately. My go-to routine hasn't changed much, but I'm always trying out new products. It's kind of like just my most favorite products that I've discovered. So I'm actually going to start with oils, and I've mentioned quite a few times that I don't really like oil for my hair. Lately I feel like my hair has needed a boost of something. So I have 2 of these Tropic Isle living oils that I ordered because I wanted to give oil on my scalp another try. So I have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil and the Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. I've been mixing these together, using them on my scalp, and my biggest thing with hair oils was that I felt like I could never fully get them out. This Jamaican Black Castor Oil especially is super thick. I don't really have a problem shampooing these out, and I feel like after I use these, my roots are extremely hydrated, but they just feel strong. I can't attest to the fact that they've made my hair grow yet because I haven't been using them over a long period of time. I'll continue to update you guys on, how that's going. While I have those 2 oils on my hair, I tend to leave them on overnight. I've been using another oil on my ends, and a lot of people love coconut oil. I feel like every time I try it, I'm just not crazy about it. I honestly haven't tried it in a while, so maybe my hair does like it now. I don't know. But I realized I had this jojoba oil sitting in my cabinet, and I hadn't used it in a while. So I've been using this to kind of treat the ends of my hair, and I really like this because it's very lightweight, but it does a really nice job of hydrating. Again, I don't feel like it's impossible to remove from my hair. It doesn't make my hair like stringy. The last oil that I've been using is from the Innate Life. It's the Rose Hair Elixir, and this is for adding shine and taming frizz. I really like to use this when I break the cast. When I scrunch my hair once it's totally dry. This, again, is a very lightweight oil. It adds really nice shine. It smells so good, and you need a very, very small amount. I use like 2 drops. Just rub it in between my palms and scrunch my hair. My ends feel very soft and shiny, and again, it doesn't weigh down my hair or do anything funky. I have talked about this before, but this is the Mop Top Curly Hair Custard. This is just really great for a one product and a go routine. I use quite a bit of this product so my hair dries with a really nice cast. And then when I scrunch it out, I just have amazing curls. They're very voluminous, they're shiny, they're hydrated. It's just really perfect when you're in a rush, you don't have much time, you don't want to be fussing with like your whole curly hair routine, because there are so many days that I don't even want to do my full wash day routine. I really like this, and I have been using this on days where I'm just super lazy. I have 3 products from Diva Curl. I've been working on doing a video of all of their stylers and all their styling products. That is coming. I know I talked about it a really long time ago, but they have quite a few products that I haven't tried, so I wanted to kind of become familiar with the range before I went into that video, just so I can be as helpful as possible. The first is the Believe In, and this is a curl plumper, but it's a gel, and I really like to use this in replacement of my gel product. If you look at my wash day routine, I'll use a curl cream and then I'll use a gel or a hold product, but I really have been liking this as my final step. It gives decent hold, but it also just makes your curls like big and juicy, and I really like this. Another thing that I was really surprised and wasn't really expecting to like as much as I do is the Flexible Hold Hairspray. I never ever liked hairspray. Like ever, even when I would straighten my hair all the time and curl it. But the way I actually like to use this is right at the roots. I'll just kind of like spray a little bit, kind of hold it for a second, and then give it a little bit of like a rub. It just gives you really nice volume without any of that stickiness, and you can still like run your fingers through your hair. It's not like that netted feeling where you feel like you're gonna break your hair if you run your fingers through it. It's not like that at all. So, and then the last product by Diva Curl that has been impressing me lately is the Curl Maker, and this is a curl boosting spray gel. My favorite way to use this is actually on my second day hair, and that's what I have right now. So I will just go ahead. I actually don't really need it because my hair held up pretty well last night while I slept. But I just like to take a few sprays of this in my hand and just kind of use it to scrunch my curls back in place. If you use too much of this on your dry hair, it can get sticky. So spraying it directly into your hands does alleviate that stickiness problem, and it leaves you with really nicely defined second day curls. So my last two products are actually a newer release, I believe. These are the Amika Curl Defining Cream and the Curl Enhancing Gel. These are both curly girl friendly, but I've really been liking these two. First of all, they smell so good. If you've ever tried the Hask, I think it's the chamomile, like the blue chamomile shampoo and conditioner, it smells exactly like that and it's so good. I'd say this probably gives me the closest results to my super cream, closer than any other product I've tried, so I'm really highly impressed with that. And then the enhancing gel reminds me a lot of the Briogeo gel that I tried, where it's not sticky and it feels very lightweight, but it gives a nice hold. So I'm highly impressed with these two products. I don't know, I wasn't expecting much, and how cute is the packaging? If you would like to see a video on how I do like a styling routine with these, give this a thumbs up. I can definitely do that for you guys. Yeah, I figured I would save my rambling for the end of the video, just because if anyone doesn't give a crap, they can just X out now. But as I said earlier, I literally just finished school like hours ago, so I'm really excited to be able to focus more on this again. Of course, I still have my job, but I mean, we've taken one thing out of the equation here, school, work, and YouTube. We've taken school out of the equation. Maybe I'll even get on a schedule. Let's not get crazy here, but I'm really thinking about it. So I'm working on video ideas, so if you have anything that you'd really want me to do a video on, please leave it in the comments, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being patient with me while I've been gone. I hope you guys have an amazing week. It's been beautiful here the past few days, so I hope that you guys have beautiful weather where you are too. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will have my handle down below, so you can go check that out. And that's it, so I will see you guys next time.